morning and a happy new year. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I don't have time right now. I forgot. Well, I came home yesterday with the stockroom key, so right now, even though I'm on late shift this week, I have to right now go to work. I think the time is like 20 to 8 in the morning, but I need to rush to work to go drop the stockroom key. That means I have to find something to do at work till my shift starts, which my shift starts at 2 p.m. Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. Anyways, let me go to work. Good morning, the time is 8 o'clock and I am going to school. Yeah, I'm a student right now. I am a student again, because I've always been a student, but yeah, I probably have to explain how this came about maybe some other time and stuff, because right now I'm rushing to school. My class started at 10 o'clock, I think, or 5 past 10, something like that. And I am gonna only have 2 classes today. That one, the first one, and then another one is will end at 1 o'clock. So yeah, I wouldn't say I'm in a bit of a rush, because I am not. The time is like 8 o'clock. I still have 2 hours to go to school, but I want to be there, I want to be comfortably early, so that I do not rush and stuff. But yeah, I'm a student right now, and I probably will have to explain how that came about again. But yeah, right now, let's go to school. Anyways, I'm back. I think the time is 5 to 6. I just washed a few of my clothes, because tomorrow I'm working. Tomorrow I am going to work. Today I was off, and yeah, I had lessons. I had 2 classes. But yeah, I wanna go downstairs right now and take out the garbage bin, because it is smelling. So yeah. Actually going to work right now, and I am so exhausted. First week of classes and I'm already exhausted. I do not know how I'm going to cope with all of this, but shall we move? I am so exhausted right now. Wish I could sleep, but I was off yesterday and I had classes in Zone, so yeah, my off days are finished. So yeah, let me go to work. I think I had so much high hopes for today. Is crazy. I thought I was gonna wake up in the morning around 8 o'clock. The time now is 9:45, and I thought I was gonna wake up at 8 o'clock and study. Now that I'm a student and stuff, yeah. But I didn't, and the reason is that I'm so tired. But at least I was able to get some good night's sleep, so I think that's fine. I think that more than makes up for it. actually also made coffee because I cannot function without coffee. And the questions in mind right now probably, it's your first time, what are you studying and what year are you in, and all of those. It's not my first time. I am studying mechanical engineering, and this is my third year, and so I'm just finishing up my course basically. I was not studying for the past 2 years. And the most important question probably right now is, who are you funded by? To that I say, I am funded by Sizokufunda Ngenkani bursary at this point, but we're gonna see what's going on during the year and whatnot. Yabo. So yeah. Enlightening. I feel so hot after wearing this, even though it looks so cold outside. Like, it looks so cold. I woke up in the morning and it was raining. But yeah, I mean, it's rain. Yeah, say summer, so it is hot. I'm off, by the way, today. What I want to do is, I haven't. So I started last week my classes, né? And I haven't. Iveki yonke last week. I haven't studied. I haven't looked at my books or anything because I'm studying and I'm also working. And I want to break that cycle because I know what ends up happening there, and I don't want to fall behind this time around. Yeah, but and the worst thing is that whenever I'm off, whenever I'm finally off, there's so much stuff to do because these clothes that I'm wearing right now, I'm not gonna come back and wash them. So I come back and I just throw them. I come back and then I just throw them. And so whenever I'm off, I have laundry to do basically because of that. Because I wear clothes, going to school and also going to work. So yeah, well, lots of laundry basically whenever I'm off. And I gotta clean the room because normally it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, well, because I don't have time to clean each and every day, and so that takes time from actually having to do work. Yeah, well, like schoolwork, and I wanna stop that. I wanna like completely stop that because I wanna do well. Yeah, I wanna and stuff. Which reminds me, last week on Tuesday was my birthday. And I turned 27, which is crazy. Like, minyaka like yabaleka, I don't even know by yapi at this point, to be honest.
As a person here who never like grew up celebrating birthday cake that much, I forgot about it. Well, I forgot to to say last week that yeah, today is my birthday and whatnot and whatnot. Also because on that particular day was like the first day of my classes. Yeah, well, the first time like I actually went to my lectures and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, I turned 27, and I guess happy birthday to me and stuff. Yeah, I'm 27 now, and I need to be serious. That is why I am gonna sit down right now and do some work.